feel good. So I think it doesn't always look like that's what's happening, that he's relaxing or it feels good. But the work is doing something, and I think
it really is.
yeah, and I'm glad that it's something. He's very excited right now, as you can see, Mom. Very excited.
I'm also doing it. We started doing that. I do it daily on him. He'll just be sitting there. I'll kind of just massage that area, and I don't think he's really had. I mean, he's had stomach issues, but he's not like complaining about it like he used to, like before we were coming in.
Yeah.
To where you can kind of see that he's like holding his stomach in pain and getting angry about that.
No, and it didn't feel as tight today, and I cupped a little bit today, but yeah, working on that same spot. Before, when I first did it,